Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken balls. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground chicken, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg to bind everything together. Don't forget to finely chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic for flavor. Finally, have your favorite seasonings, such as salt and pepper, ready to go. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them. In a large bowl, combine the ground chicken, breadcrumbs, egg, chopped onion, garlic, and seasonings. Use your hands to mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined. Once mixed, gently roll the mixture into uniform 1-inch diameter balls. Place these on a parchment-lined tray, ready for cooking. There are a couple of great ways to cook your chicken balls. You can fry them in about 1 inch of hot oil until they are golden brown and cooked through. Alternatively, for a lighter option, bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Drain any excess oil before serving. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade chicken balls. They are incredibly versatile and pair wonderfully with various dipping sauces. Try them with a classic sweet and sour sauce or a rich marinara. A sprinkle of fresh parsley adds a nice touch. These are perfect as an appetizer for a party or as a tasty addition to your main meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.